Get ready to master your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro in seconds. All the touch, voice, and hands-free controls, whether it's music, calls, or noise canceling. Here is every gesture you need to know. Talking about button, there's one on the back. Just press and hold it until the light starts blinking. That puts it into manual pairing mode, and then you can connect it to the device of your choice. For your music, it's all in the pinch. Pinch once to play or pause. To skip ahead, pinch twice, quickly, or pinch 3 times to go back to the previous track. Need to adjust the sound? Just swipe up on the earbud stem for volume up, or swipe down for volume down. Handling calls is just as simple. Pinch once to answer an incoming call or to end one. If you're not ready to talk, just pinch and hold the sensor to decline it. To block out the world, pinch and hold either the left or right earbud to toggle between noise cancellation and transparency mode. If you go to the settings, to Earbuds Control, tap on either left or right bud's settings, and from this pop-up, if you select all these modes, it will cycle between them when you pinch and hold on the stem. You can also set Gemini or Voice Assistant if you wear the buds and then set it up. Then, using that same pinch and hold gesture, you can wake Google Assistant, Gemini, or Bixby. Apart from that, you can also assign other apps to the gesture function, like the interpreter or any other supported app like Spotify. For the right earbud, you'll see the same set of options. The fourth option is Recorder, which lets you start recording by pinching and holding the earbud. You can also go completely hands-free by using voice commands. Just enter voice controls, make sure Voice Wake Up Bixby is turned on. Then enter voice commands. Turn it on, then select your own language. And then you can use hands-free voice commands like volume up, volume down, or answer call, reject call, next song, previous song, totally hands-free. You can even accept or decline calls with simple head gestures if you turn it on in the settings, and make sure yes or accept and no or decline is set to the right gestures. And then, while there's an incoming call, from a quick pinch to a simple head nod, you're now in full command of your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Thanks for your time.